Hello everyone. Today we will check Python variables. So what are variables? First thing, variables are containers for storing data values. Okay. So here x is a variable and here 5 we give value to x as a 5. So here x is a container to store this data value. In Python, a variable is a way to store data values by assigning them a name. Like here, we gave a name to this file as x. This name acts as a label for the data, making it easy to reference and manipulate the values later in the code. So this x value, whatever we give, is helpful and it is reference for the next code. So there are some rules. We will check some rules to check to declare the variables. Okay, the first rule is dynamic typing. So in the Java or C++, all these language we need to mention like this, like integer a, float b, like this. Okay, integer a, float b, or string a, string b, like this. But in the Python, we don't do that. We directly write here x is equal to 10. That's it. Done. If this is the integer, then if you want to store a string, then y is equal to double quote or single quote, and here a. Done. This is how we declare string. And if you want to declare float, then here x is equal to 10.5. Done. Float declared. Like this, we can declare variables. This is how dynamic typing is working. And variables are case sensitive. Okay, variables are case sensitive. Like here big X, capital X is equal to 5 and small x is equal to 10. So while using this in any code, this x is having a different value, like this x is different and small x is different. Both are different. We'll check next. Naming rules for the variables. So there are few rules which are which we need to follow while uh, declaring any variable. So start with letter A, capital A to Z, small a to Z, or underscore. So any variable name in Python will start with A to Z or A to Z or underscore. Okay, all these three things we follow only, not other than these three. Okay, and variable names contains only 0 to 9 digit or underscore. Okay, and whatever name variable name you are giving, that should not be any reserve keyword like if, for, class, etc. Okay, then multiple assignments, we can assign multiple values in one go. like a b c is equal to 1 2 3. So here a will store 1, b will store 2, c will store 3. Okay. Then reassignment. Variables can be reassigned at any time, even with values of a different type. Here x is equal to first 42, then we declare x is equal to a, like this. It is working. It will work fine. No worries. Okay, we'll check the next slide. Now, how to create a variable. Python has no command for declaring a variable. This is the first thing. Like we don't declare like how we do in Java, integer int a, int b, float a, float b, like this. We don't do this here. We directly declare x is equal to 5, y is equal to double quote a, or x is equal to 5.2, like this. We directly declare, and while the compiling, Python understand that yeah, this is the float, this is the string, this is the integer. Accordingly it understands. So Python is easy to learn in this way. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type, and it can even change type after having they have been set. Okay, here x is equal to 4. Here x is type integer, and after some time x is equal to abc def, then that will be like a string. Now the point is casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. Okay, x is equal to str3. We'll check here, x is equal to str3, or x is equal to int3. So after running this, here x is, it will print as a string 3, and here it is a integer. And if x is equal to 3.0, like a float, x is equal to float in bracket 3, then that will be 3.0. If you, yeah, get the type. Now we can get the type of the uh, declared variable. How to get that, we will check that one also. Here x is equal to 5. So here we need to do just one thing, print type x. So it will print type of this x as integer. All this is all about Python types, variable types, and variable rules. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.